The Berne Icecap Insulated Coverall is engineered to provide maximum protection and mobility for professionals working in extreme conditions on the job site, refrigerated warehouse, or on the farm. This coverall is a fortress against the elements, combining top-grade materials with functional design. Constructed from a resilient 1000 denier nylon Oxford shell, this coverall is built to resist water, wind, and abrasion, effectively creating a barrier against harsh weather. It is lined with Arctic weight insulation quilted to polyester taffeta, ensuring you stay warm even in the coldest climates. For adaptability to changing weather, the coverall features a fleece collar with snaps for attaching a removable hood. Pleated elbows and an action back enhance mobility, allowing for a full range of motion, crucial for demanding physical tasks. The coverall is equipped with ample storage solutions, 2 zippered chest pockets, 3 inside pockets, 1 with a zip closure for secure storage, 2 reinforced back pockets, 1 with a brass zipper, side utility pockets, and a hammer loop. These features ensure all necessary tools and personal items are within easy reach. Durability is paramount, with heavy-duty brass front and leg zippers, double-layered knees, and triple needle-stitched main seams, all designed to withstand tough use day in and day out. The Berne Icecap Insulated Coverall is not just workwear. It's a crucial tool for those who tackle the most demanding jobs in challenging environments.